Okay, nice, nice, nice. Okay, Darasimi, you came first. Actually, I'm seeing Brian's own first. Okay, can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Hello, can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Okay, that's very good. Okay, but by the way, Darasimi, on my end, I see that the first person is Brian, though. But well, two persons can win. I trust you guys are doing good. Okay. Okay. What I want us to do now is I want us to set up. I want us to go through the questions we did. The assignment I gave you guys last time. Before we move into the new topic. Okay. I think that would work. I know some of you claimed you got 30 over 30, 27, but maybe some of the things there is Marian. I'm talking of class. You guys are still dragging. Hey, God. Okay, let me set my stuff up first. Give me a second. Okay. Can you guys see my new screen where we have the questions? Can you see my new screen? I just want us to answer them together. You said I'm not audible. You cannot hear me. Low volume. Wow, where is that coming from? Okay. Okay, how well can you guys hear me now? Can you hear me now very well? Okay, very good. Okay, so now the first question here from the test says, which of the following correctly uses set builder notation to represent A? Now if you notice, A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now A cannot be correct. The reason why A cannot be correct is that A is an infinite set. X is an even number, does not have an end. You go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16. It keeps going. It doesn't have an end. So this is not correct. A is not correct. B says X is an even number, but X must be between 2 and 10, and 2 is inclusive, 10 is inclusive. That means you can include 2 and you can also include 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I think B is the correct answer. C says A is X such that X is a natural number less than 11. That's not correct. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. Then A, X is a multiple of 2. This is also not correct because this is an infinite set. It would have been correct, but it does not have an end. Multiple of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So the correct answer is A. Before I click on it, I want to be sure that you guys understand it. Do you understand? Do you guys understand what I just explained now? Okay, I love the response. More responses. Okay, good. So that means the answer is A. So we'll move to the next one. Now, I really want to be sure that everybody is here. Okay. Are these the only people responding? Okay, good. Yeah, I said B is the answer. That's what I said. Yes. Is that not what I said? I said, okay, for this one, oh, I don't know yet. This one is B, yes. So, but for this one, the roster tabular form, roster form of the set B equal to this. This statement means X is an integer, positive integer. Z plus means positive integer. I already explained to you guys what an integer is. Then here, X squared is less than 20. Okay, so the square of X must be less than 20 for any integer. Let's see A. 1 squared is 1. 2 squared is 4. 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. 5 squared is 25. This one is wrong because 5 squared is 25. 25 is not less than 20. The condition is that the square of that value must be less than 20. Okay, please, before I continue, do you guys understand that? Okay, everybody's saying B. So, does it mean that... Okay. So, B, yes, is correct. B is correct. Okay, now this one says, in a Venn diagram with a universal set U, and A is a subset of U. Now, I have not explained what universal set is. Maybe I'm going to do that now. So now, right, a universal set is a general set A universal set is a general set in which all other given sets are subset of it. Okay, so example. Let's say I have universal set to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have a set A to be 1, 3, 5, 9. I have a set B to be 2, 3, 6, 7, 9, 10. And I have a set C to be 3, 4, 6, 8. Now you have set A, set B, set C. If you notice, all of them are subsets of U, of universal set. Like 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 9. We can find it here. 1, 3, 5, 9. 2, 3, 6, 7, 9, 10. 2, 3, 6, 7, 9, 10. 3, 4, 6, 8. 3, 4, 6, 8. You see? So A, B, and C. A is a subset of U. B is a subset of U. C is a subset of U. So any set where all the sets are a subset of is called the universal set. Do you guys understand what I just said? I can see your blood is hot. Do you guys understand what I just said? Genesis is not from my screen. It's from your network. It's not my screen. Okay, what are you guys discussing about? Which one is 67 and 6777? Okay, so a universal set, like I said, is a general set. It's just like the mother of all other given sets. That means it must contain all other sets. All other sets are subset of the universal set. Or you can say the universal set is a superset of all other sets. Please give me a second, okay? Please, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I said I said that a universal set is a set that is a superset of all the other given sets. It contains everybody. Brian and Rubik's, are you guys playing or what? Please, I need you guys to give me attention. I don't want that, please. So the universal set is the general set. If you have U to be one, this is just an example of a universal set. This is a set A. This is another set B. This is another set C. Everything in A is in the universal set. Everything in B is also in the universal set. Everything in C is also in the universal set. That's the best I can give you for now for the definition of universal set. Are you guys having a problem with typing? Why are you guys typing? What is going on? So Genesis, do we understand? Ami, do you understand? I'm trying to explain what universal set is. My screen is not blurry, it's from you. Increase your resolution. Increase your resolution. It's not from me. And Brian, if universal set is an infinite set, of course others will still be a subset of it. Okay, is it blurry everywhere? You guys should check. Is my screen blurry in all of your cases? It's not my screen, it is yours. Go to your setting, your YouTube setting, click on it and increase the resolution. From my end here, it is very clear. Okay, so okay, Ami, I'm glad you are responding. Now let's go back to the question. So the question now says, in a Venn diagram with universal set U, the set A is a subset of U. The region outside circle A but inside circle U represents. Oh, okay. Now you guys will not know this. Okay, you guys won't know this, but the answer is C. This one is what we call Venn diagram. This is the spelling. We will soon get there. It is called Venn diagram. So I'm still going to teach you guys that. You will not understand that now. Okay? Yeah. But because I've not taught you guys complement. You don't have to get to 720, 480, even 360 will work. Yeah. Okay. So I think maybe what I'm going to do is that let me continue from where we stopped the last time, so that we won't take all our time. That question will not take all our time. Do we all agree? Because some of those things I've not taught you guys. When I teach you guys, you will understand it better. Do we agree with me? I'm waiting for your response. Yeah, so just like I mentioned, it is supposed to have diagram, but let me just continue. Don't worry, we will go back to those questions. Let me finish up. So I've already explained what universal set is. Now the next thing I want to talk about is union of sets. Did I teach you guys? Okay, last time I showed you guys intersection of sets. And I told you guys that intersection of set is written like this. What this means is that what is common to both x, a and b. Chinelo, there is a setting box on YouTube. You can just click on it. Then it will show you resolution. You click on resolution, then you choose. That's what to do. Okay, so that is it for union of sets. The next thing I want to talk about is, intersection. The next thing is union of sets. Okay, so this is the definition for union of two sets. So union of two sets are elements that are, if I have two sets A and B, their union is elements that are in A or in B or both. So the best way I can explain this is that just combine the two sets. Combine the two sets to become one. So Okay, so in this question, we are asked to find P. You're welcome, Chinelo. You are asked to find P union Q. So, in the case of P union Q, P union Q means elements that are in P, just combine the two, combine everything. That means I'll write everything. I think 1, 2, okay, that's the answer. Okay, so I want to know if you guys understand this. Do you understand? I'm waiting to see your response. Genesis, you're welcome. Okay, so let me write a question. Do this for me. Okay, good. So can you explain? Um can you try that? Very good, very good. I'll be waiting for our answers. Okay, I like the answers I'm seeing. But Miriam, I think you made a mistake somewhere. Marian, yeah. Okay. Okay, Marian, you corrected yourself. Okay. Dara Simi. Okay. Chinelo, good. Brian, good. Ami, no, 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 no. Okay, so let's do it together. You all tried. So R is x such that x is a prime number less than 10. Prime number starts with 2. Then you have 3, then you have 5, then you have 7. I think these are the only prime numbers less than 10. Yeah, these are the only prime numbers less than 10. Then P is odd number less than 10. Odd number starts with 1. So you have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. I will stop at 9 because they say less than 10. So these are prime numbers that are less than 10. Remember what a prime number is. Any number that can only divide itself. It cannot divide any other number. Okay? Then while odd numbers, 1, 3, numbers that are not divisible by 2. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So that means if I want to find the union of R union P, combining everything, I will start with 1, then 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9. So if you got this correctly, kudos to you. So who are those that got it correctly? Actually, a lot of you got that correctly. And that's amazing. That's amazing. That's amazing. That's amazing. So am I understood? Can I continue? Am I understood? Can I continue? I like that. I like that. Okay. So just to repeat myself again, prime numbers means number that can only divide itself. It cannot divide any other number. 2 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. 9 is not a prime number because 9 can divide 3. 9 can divide 3. So prime number starts with 2. Please always note, prime number starts with 2. 2 can only divide 2 and 1. 3 can only divide 3 and 1. 5 can only divide 5 and 1. 7 can only divide 7 and 1. That's why they are called prime numbers. And these are the only prime numbers that are less than 10. Less than 10, remember, that's the idea. Then P, the second one says x is an odd number less than 10. So odd number are numbers that are not divisible by 2. So odd number starts with 1. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, like that. But the question says it must be less than 10. That's why we stopped at 9. We stopped at 9 because the question says it must be less than 10. So we go 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So the only reason we stopped at 9 because it must be less than 10. So now R in union P, the union simply means to combine everything in R and everything in P. And you know, it's always better you do it in increasing order. You start from the smallest number, which is 1. 2 is there, then you have 3. 3 appears in both. You have 5, you have 7, and you have 9. You have to combine everything. But let me say this, in case for those that don't know, while combining anything, don't repeat numbers. Do not repeat numbers. That means don't say 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 7. No, write it only once. I hope that makes sense. Write it only one time. I hope that makes sense. Genesis, do you understand now? Genesis, do you understand now? waiting for Genesis to respond. Okay, since it's not coming up, so I would have to move on. Now the next is complement of a set. We write it as either you see like this A prime or A superscript C. This is how we write complement, usually like this or like this. So anywhere you see, okay, Genesis, anywhere you see complement, it has to be written like this, A prime or AC, this way. Okay, that is very, very important. So now, the complement of a set is a set of elements that are in the universal set but not in that set. Okay, so the complement of a set is the set is the set of elements that are in the universal set but not in that set. Now, first of all, what this means is that you cannot find the complement of a set except the universal set is defined. That means except you know what the universal set is. So let me give you natural examples of complement. For example, the complement of a boy is a girl. The complement of a man is a woman. The complement of auntie is uncle. You can see what I mean now. The complement of father is mother. So complement simply means opposite. What is not in that set, but it is present in the universal set. Now, let me give you an example here. A good example. Let's say we have example, let universal set, for example, be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is an example of this is my universal set. And let's say I have A to be equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 10. And I'm asked to find the complement of A. Find A complement. Solution. Now, this is A, and I'm asked to find A complement. A complement means the elements that are not in A. So complement, anything in A, don't write it. Only write those things that are not in A, but are in the universal set. So my answer is going to be that A complement is going to be 1 is universal. I won't write 1. I won't write 2. I won't write 3. I will write 4 because I don't have 4 in A. So 4 is the first one. I won't write 5. 6 is not in A, so I'll write 6. 7 is not in A, I'll write 7. 8 is not in A, I'll write 8. So this is A complement. Okay, 7 and 8, sorry. So you see, these are the elements that are not in A. These are the elements that are not in A. Let me know if you understand it. Kindly say, yes, I understand. It makes sense. Makes sense. I understand it. Yes, sir. Can we move on? You know. Okay, I'm waiting for our responses. Okay, more persons. Oh, good. Good. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like what I'm seeing. Okay, good. Good, good, good. I mean, I can see that. Okay, I love our responses. So I'm going to give you guys one to try now. I'm going to give you one to try. So look at this. Do this for me. Let's say universal set is equal to 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, and a set P is equal to 100 and 200. Find P complements. Okay, so if you understand it, give me the answer to this. If you understand it, give me answer to this. Okay. Yeah, I love the answers. Marianne, good. Blessing, good. Genesis, good. Gina, no. Tony George, good. Darasimi, good. Ami, good. Brian, good. Okay, very good. That means all of us understand this. That means it is well understood. Yeah, Rubik's good. So that means we can all say that the complement of P, elements that are not here but are here, you have 50, you have 150, and you have 250. So if you did that, it means you got that correctly, and you deserve to celebrate. So we have one more. Very good, very good. Yeah, Gina, I hope you can see your mistake. Yeah, Marian, I can see. Okay, so the next thing we are going to look at is called difference of two sets. We write difference of two sets. We write it as this: A minus B, or A intersection B complement. Yes, it's the same thing. A minus B or A intersection B complement. Now, what is A minus B? What is difference of two sets? So the difference of two sets, A and B, written as A minus B are elements in A that are not in B. The difference of two sets A and B written as A minus B are elements in A that are not in B. Okay, Gina, I can see that. Okay, that's good. So the difference of two sets, we write it as A minus B, but I'm just giving you a secret. It is also A intersection B complement. It is elements in A that are not in B. So I can also say this, consequently, B minus A are elements in B that are not in A. B minus A are elements in B that are not in A. Okay, so I want to give examples now, but I want to be sure you're done writing. If you're done writing, let me know because I want to move on. Okay, I want to move on. If you're done writing, please let me know you're done writing so I can move on. Okay, Tony, yeah, any more persons? Okay, very good. Very good. So let's see an example. Our time is almost up. So let A be equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Then B be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm asked to find A minus B. And I'm also asked to find B minus A. So I'm asked to find A minus B. And I'm also asked to find B minus A. Now this is how to go about it. Solution. Now, A minus B, like I said, are elements in A but are not in B. Check A, any element in A that is not here. Like 2 is here, 3 is here, 5 is here. It is only 7 that is not here. So that means the A part, I'm going to say A minus B is equal to 7, only 7. Because 2, we have 2 here, 3, we have 3 here, 5, we have 5 here, but we don't have 7 here. So A minus B is just 7. Do we understand that? Do we understand that? Do we understand that? Do we understand that? I'm waiting to see our replies. Darasimi, 1 is not in A. 1 is not in A. Yes. So elements, remember, A minus B means elements that are in A but are not in B. Elements that are in A but are not in B. 4 is not in A. Rubik's, 4 is not in A. Remember, elements that are in A, it must be in A, but will not be in B. The difference between complement and difference is about the same thing. It's just the same thing. But the difference is that in complement, you are comparing with the universal set. But in difference, you are comparing between two subsets. But they are about the same thing. Now look at the next one, B minus A. Look at B minus A. So B minus A means elements that are in B but not in A. Elements that are in B but not in A. B minus A. This is element in B. 1 is in B but not in A, so I'll write 1. This one is here, so no. 3 is here, so no. 4 is in B but not in A, I'll write 4. 5 is here, so the answer is 1, 4. That's the answer. And I think that Gina got that. Yes, Tony George got that correctly. Yes, 1, 4. So they are just complement and difference are just the same thing. Yeah, Darasimi, good. Okay. I'm sure we all understand it, right? Chinelo, there is no 7. There is no 7 in B. There is no 7 in B. Elements that are in B but not in A. 7 is not in B. So 7 is not part of it. Okay, good. So lastly, we don't have time. My time is up, but let's see. I want to solve a question with you guys, then call it a day. Even though I'm going to send this to you as homework. Okay, I will still send this as a classwork, but I just want us to do something like this. The Saturday's class finishes by 8. Saturday's class is just 1 hour. Okay, so look at this number 15, just to revise what we've done. I'm going to add one more question here. Let me add B. We should find D minus C. So this one says list the members of C complement intersection D complement. Then B says we should find D minus C. So I just want us to do this together. Then we'll call it a day. So now the first one says we should list the member in C complement intersection D complement. What is C complement? Elements that are in the universal set but not in C. This is the universal set. You can see they are using this for symbol. So sometimes you will see them write U, or sometimes you will see them write E like this. Both of them are symbols of universal set. So complement of C, let me write C complement. Elements that are not here but here. I think we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, and 14. Do we agree with my C complement? Do we agree with my C complement? Any other person? Tony George, yeah? Okay, good. Good. So that's C complement. Any other person? Okay, good. C complement means elements that are not in C. Blessing, good. Okay, so let me continue. Then we have D complement. D complement means elements that are not in D. Elements not here, but are in the universal set. So I think we have 1, we have 4, we have 6, we have 8, we have 10, and we have 12, and we have 14. So this is D complement. Okay, I think we have 2 also. Yes, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, so look at that. D complement. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me for D complement? Okay. I'm waiting. Okay, good. So now to answer the question. The question says we should find C complement intersection D complement. So this is C complement intersection D complement. So we want to find what is common. Okay? We want to find what is common between C complement and D complement. So this is what you are going to do. Intersection means what is common. So the first number I can see that is common, 2 is common, 4 is common, 6 is common, 8 is common, 12 is common, and 14 is common. So this is the answer. Do we agree with that? No, that's not, Chinelo, that is not 2 over 4. I made a mistake. I forgot 2. So, I had to find a way to put it. Let me write it well. Yeah, Chinelo, I hope that answers your question. Good. Does it make sense? Okay, so this is what we are going to do. Are you with me? Okay, so that's good. So I want to believe that you guys understand it. Okay. Now, before we go, there's something I would like to show us quickly. Are you with me? There's something I would like us to show us quickly. Now, whenever you want to submit assignments, I told us that all our assignments now will be submitted on Google Classroom. All assignments will be submitted on Google Classroom. Now, the last one that the teacher submitted was not too clear, but I'm going to show you an example. Okay, so I'm going to act first of all like, okay, I'm a teacher. I wish I can show you guys what to do. In the assignment I will be sending, you will be required to upload your answers. Please listen. You will be required to write your answer as per. You should write your answer down in a book of in a paper, snap it, then upload. You write it down, you snap, and you upload. I'm going to show you once you go to Google Classroom. Once I post my assignment, it's going to show you something like attachments. You will click on the attachment and upload your document. Maybe I should show you. Okay, you know what? I'm going to create a video. I will create a video and post it on the group maybe tomorrow, so that you guys can watch and see how to upload the assignments. So I'll post the video tomorrow. You can watch and see how to upload the assignment in Google Classroom. So you will write on paper or in a book and upload it to Google Classroom. Rubik's, thank you. That's correct. Yes. So I will show you. I will create a video to show you how to go about that. Okay, you can do it with your phone. You can also do it with your what is it called? With your laptop, any of them. But I think phone is easier because of snapping. You can just snap with your phone, then upload it. Anyone that suits you. Okay, so I think we call it a day here. I would post the assignment on Google Classroom and let you guys know. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. See you guys on Monday. And I also want to say this, please, from Monday, your timetable will change a bit. I will not be in class on Monday, so Mr. Mike will be the one to teach you guys on Monday. Biology. So Monday will be biology. The reason is because there is a second batch and I want to welcome them in that second batch. So I will meet with you guys on Tuesday. So on Monday, I will be welcoming you guys. I will be welcoming the new batch. Then I don't want that class to disturb your class because you're already on a good pace. So good night, everybody. Good night. Good night. Yeah, chemistry will now be the next day, or I will choose another day for chemistry. Oh, I forgot to do the last one. I'll do it by next class. Oh, I like that. I like that. C union D complements. That's good. But I don't think there is a 3 there. Chinelo, there is no 3 in the answer. We will continue from here in our next class. Bye bye.